Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like to buy this bicycle for my son.
For your son? Oh, how old is your son?
Well, about 14.
Oh, he'll be that much.
A bit up. Yes, yes.
Oh, I see. So I've got the right bicycle for him. Do you like it?
I like it very much.
Very much.
Yes. How much does it cost?
I'll give you 600 shillings.
Oh, no, that's too much.
Oh, I see, but the price remains the same.
Oh, well, maybe I'll try another shop. Okay, thank you very much.
Just wait. How much do you have?
I have 420 shillings.
420.
Yes.
Oh, all right. Let's have it. I'll just give it to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
1, 200, 3, 420, and 20.
Another 20.
Yes, yes. And 20. The bike is yours.
Thank you very much.
Kangwana. Habari.
Nzuri, habari yako?
Nzuri sana.
Yeah.
Una baiskeli nyekundu?
Hey,
Baiskeli mpya.
baiskeli nyekundu.
Umeniletea?
Ni zawadi yako.
Asante sana baba.
What a very good father I have to bring me a bicycle all the way from Nairobi. I'm 14 today, and I have the only bicycle in Bisumi. My father had one once, but that was when I was very little. And besides, it was not red. We grow mostly maize and coffee in Bisumi. To make the soil richer, we spread hay on the ground. And until now, I have always had to carry it on my back. School is 10 kilometers from my house. Until today, I had to be up before the sun to walk such a distance. I think if I polish and oil this bike, it will last me a long time. Maybe all my life. All the children in Bisumi go to my school. My teacher went to a university far away in America, in a place called Boston.
Zindi zia green ziwe suma bazia watakomesa suma utwiza mziwe green zile azuganya ka mwagura zinzaka nyuzenyine umte ni zia green zile zikawa suma ula bataga zifuti zibagandi kutoa kuyenzi karono mwamanye kawa ni kitagwe kirai sana yani maroba makanyuga marai sana muzikawa.
The first bit of luck I've had. With this bike, I ought to be in the city by tomorrow sunset. I come from the village of Kibabju, near the Uganda border. May I never see it again. My family worked in the coffee fields when the English still owned Kenya. It It was called the White Highlands then, and it was very rich, though God knows we were not. Now they've given us our own land. A lot of good it did, with 7 of us there, all on 2 acres. I don't know what I'll do in the city, but I'll figure something out. I don't know what a bicycle is worth in Nairobi, but I do know what cattle will bring.
Skeli.
Jinulie baiskeli bana.
Unauza baiskeli eh? Kwa ng'ombe?
Ng'ombe 3 bana.
Hapana 3.
Ndio.
Unataka kununua ng'ombe?
Nataka nipe ng'ombe moja.
Kwa baiskeli
Nzuri sana bana.
Lakini hii nzuri eh?
Sana. Kila kitu kizuri sana.
Haya chukua bali.
Ng'ombe. Nini? Baya basi.
Aha. Kwa bali.
Haya.
Of course, a bicycle is not a truck. But with a bicycle, I can get into the coffee fields. I can pedal right up to the plants. I am with the Kenyan government. I test coffee and tea and teach people how to grow it. Every day I drive hundreds of miles from plantation to plantation and talk with the foreman who oversees the land.
Una baiskeli leo? Leo nilikuja na baiskeli. Si. Ndio. Lakini mbona mavuno mazuri tulipata mavuno mazuri sana. Na kule mlitia mbolea kule nilimwambia.
The government is worried about our coffee and tea. It's the main thing we grow and we need it badly. It takes a while, learning to run one's own land. At first, when the British left, we cut up the land so much that it was very inefficient. This land, for instance, used to be a big British-owned coffee plantation. Now it is run as a collective, with everybody sharing what is received for the crop.
Jambo. Hawa inaendelea vizuri sana. Lakini nitakwambia kwamba kuna vitu fulani ambavyo natakana ujue. Naona kama hii. Kuna ugonjwa mwingine ambao umekuja na unafanya hapa chini kuonyesha hapa. Unaona kama hii hapa Kuna kitu hapa.
It's my job to see that everyone works together smoothly and to help them use the best methods of coffee growing.
Ile nyekundu. Hakuna ingine kijiji kingine kwa nyekundu. Tunataka baisikeli yetu.
Baisikeli ni yenye? Na hii tumepata mailo 300 huko porini. They say the bicycle belongs to them.
But we found that bicycle 300 miles away.
I know that, but only that they say it belongs to them. They only say lie.
Give them the bike.
Okay. Muje mshukue baisikeli yenu bwana.
My red bicycle.
Gari ya nani? Hii ilikuwa baisikeli yako. Hii ilikuwa ile baisikeli yangu ilipotea. Ilikuwa baisikeli yako.
My father says that since the villagers of Bisumi found it, they are now the bicycle's rightful owners. It shall belong to the whole village.